Hey guys, we're back with another unboxing video. This time we have the Christian Dior Sauvage. This is probably my first unboxing video of a cologne that I've done, so let's get right into it. The Dior Sauvage cologne, it's probably, I would say, it's one of the higher end fragrances. It's better smelling, and they've marketed it pretty well with, you might have seen the Johnny Depp stuff. It's in the box right here. So here it is. I think the receipt. What it says. It's from Amazon, so it cost about $147. This is the 60 milliliter version, so the smallest one you can get from the Christian Dior lineup. The bigger size, so you can get I believe it's 100 ml for $200, and then the 150 for about $250. So it goes up in increments. So $50 every few milliliters. So it's packaged pretty nicely. Got the Christian Dior signature tag up there, right there. So let's get right into it. Kind of feel bad for taking off the Dior tag here, but here we are. The box has got a matte finish on it. It's gonna be a short video because colognes, there's not too much to it. It's got a little bee there. Then, I don't know if you can see this, there's the actual cologne there. Okay, wow. So it's transparent. It goes from like a luminescent finish from like lighter to a darker tone. It says Dior Sauvage right here, and has the Christian Dior initials here. You know what? Let's open it and then give a little sniff. All right, you know, try the palm. Wow, it's strong. It's got a little hint of sandalwood, I would say, but overall, like, wow, like this is a really good. Oh, okay. On top of that, actually, I just figured out something. Check this out. It's got a magnetic pull from the cap to the thing. If you can see that again here, just attaches just like that. But that's pretty much all in all. I'll link the items below as per usual, and my links to my Instagram, and you guys can follow me there. Till next time.